thought we got rid of them all.
Is it mine? Is it?
I don't know.
Well,
I think so.
Is it?
Let's open it up, see what's inside.
Okay.
Everything.
Everything?
Hey,
Come on.
don't worry about what Amy's doing.
Alright.
I'm having a hard time with this box.
Like a paparazzi.
Splash, splash, splash.
Your lens isn't open all the way.
How do you know that's you?
What's the matter? Keep sliding. Maybe you need some help sliding those off.
Maybe you cut that ribbon. It's some kind of ribbon.
There you go. Here, you
Okay,
got
got it.
How do you know that's to you?
Well, they said to open it. They told
Only
me.
one way to find out.
Let me see.
Balloon.
Oh, nice. You got some
Balloon is
balloons.
nice. A balloon.
Well, it's good to get
A big
balloons.
box with
Just
a
for a
balloon.
balloon.
It's a card.
Jack
Oh, that's a relief. What if you opened it up and it said Christopher? Then it would be.
It said Jack
I
Henry.
know, but I would have been
Okay,
so
let's open it.
sad.
Get that. Jack, and why don't you go stand over there next to Todd? So he can get it. Everybody can.
Maybe stand where I'm not.
Open it up. Open it up. Get it out. What's it say? What's it say? What is it? I'm excited. I can't stand it. You know how I am. It's a map. That's good.
I know, but you just.
No, just the other place.
Disney World.
What's it? Oh, big.
What do you think that means?
What says Merry Christmas
you
on
open it
there?
up, see what it
Open it
says?
up. Open up. Is it a card?
You have reached the magic age. You are going to
Where are you going?
Disney World.
You're kidding. Oh, what else? Did I say anything else?
See you soon. Love, Pop. Ma.
Where are you trained on volleyball?
Is there anything else?
Let's see what else is here.
Is there anything else in there?